In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how I made over $7,000 last month with Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Alright guys, so after posting my last video where I show you exactly how much money I made on YouTube for the month of April, I received a few comments of people asking me if I could do the same thing for Facebook. If you've been following my channel for a while, then you know that I make most of my income from Facebook via Facebook Instant Articles and video ad breaks. Now, the reason why I don't make a video every single month with Facebook Instant Articles is because I typically don't do anything different every single month. It's mostly pushing content on Facebook and trying to get as much traffic as we can to generate as much money as we can. That has become a consistent income of around $7,000 to $9,000 per month. Some months are higher. Some months we actually make less money. So basically at this point, I don't do any of the work. I have a few freelancers who are in charge of creating the content on a daily basis and sharing that content on their Facebook pages. And basically what I do in the background is making sure that all the pieces are working properly. Now, if you're watching this video for the first time, and this is the first time that you're hearing about Facebook Instant Articles, what I want you to do is go and watch this video, which is going to explain to you how it works, how you can actually start making money with it. And I'm going to put a link below for you to check it out if you want to learn more about it. This is something that Facebook has been providing for the past 2 years, and anyone can jump into it and start making money with it if you know exactly what to do. Now, let's talk about how much money I've made for the month of April with Facebook Instant Articles. And as you can see, I've made about $7,420 for the month of April. And a quick disclaimer, not all of that money is actually profit. About 65% of that money is about what I get to keep. The other is basically expenses, paying my freelancers, paying for hosting services, and a few tools that I use to run my blogs. Now, you got to keep in mind that I only spend about 10 to 15 hours per week making sure that everything is working properly. And that's because I was able to get it to this point where I can outsource most of the things that are happening on the Facebook pages. But in the beginning, I was doing all the work and I was putting all the effort in growing those Facebook pages, spending my own money, and actually doing all the content and doing all the writing myself. So to get it to this point where I'm able to make $7,000 to $9,000 per month without pretty much working at all, it's actually very nice. However, when starting an online business, this is something that you have to keep in mind. It's not gonna be forever. As long as I can do it now, I'm gonna keep making money using Facebook Instant Articles. But the thing is, I don't think this is gonna be like, it's gonna be around in about 5, 10, 15 years. So if you've been looking to make money online, the best thing that you can do for your business to create stability in your business is to diversify the ways that you make money. This is why I decided to start a YouTube channel, because not only do I like making this type of videos and sharing my tips and my information, my knowledge with people, at the same time, I'm building my personal brand. I'm able to create an additional income stream where I can monetize my channel, my brand, with affiliate products, maybe my own products in the future. So if something happens with Facebook, if Facebook decides to shut down Instant Articles, then I would lose most of my income with Facebook Instant Articles, but I would have other sources of income. So the key to building a long-term business online is to diversify the ways that you make money. You can use affiliate marketing, you can have your own products and services, you can use YouTube, you can use Facebook, you can use as many platforms as you want, but you have to diversify because nothing lasts forever. So let's talk about how I made those $7,000 per month. Like I said, I do this every single month. The reason why I don't make a video showing you exactly how much money I made every single month with Facebook is because I do the same thing every single month. So I would prefer to show you other type of videos and give you some other information that could help you get to that level. So the first thing we do every single month is we publish at least between 10 to 15 new posts per day. That basically generates enough traffic to make on average between $150 to $300 per day. In some cases, we'll actually get a story that goes viral and that actually propels our income to over $9,000 per month for that specific month. And usually you'll get it between $7,500 to 8,000 or something like that. And that's because we're able to generate a consistent 1 million visitors per month. we have to generate enough content every single day to generate enough traffic to be able to generate 1 million visitors per month. Now, I do have multiple blogs also using Facebook Instant Articles, but they don't make as much money as what I just showed you, mainly because those are blogs that can generate, $700, $1,000 a month or something like that. And I actually need to also pay freelancers, hosting services and things like that. So the profit is less. What I show you, the earnings is for 2 blogs that are generating over 1 million visitors per month, and that income combined, it's about 7,000, 8,000. Highest month was about 12,000 in a single month, and that's because we were able to hit multiple viral stories on Facebook, which thousands and thousands of shares, which generates more traffic and makes more money. Apart from posting multiple times per day, every single day, 24 hours a day, basically we try to identify what's trending online. The second thing that allows us to basically build a consistent amount of traffic every single month is mostly because we're actually building lists all the time, 24 hours a day. We're building multiple lists of thousands and thousands of people to email and also Facebook Messenger. We have thousands of people who are reading our content every single week, every single day, because of emails, because of messages, and that allows us to continue to pull traffic. And we actually increase our traffic every single month by 5 to 10%, which actually increases our income. But in some cases, even if we get more traffic, we're not able to make more money because Facebook pays you by CPM. So I mean, in some months the CPM might be higher, so with less traffic you're able to make more money. But in this case, for this month, the CPM was a little bit lower than last month, so even though we generate the same amount of traffic, we made less money. That's why I'm saying that you can't rely on one source of income, because you never know what's going to happen. So you have to diversify and go to multiple sources of income. So guys, I do have multiple videos on Facebook Instant Articles which you can check out. I'm going to put a link to all of those videos in the description below so you can check them out, so you can learn more about how you can implement Facebook Instant Articles for your own Facebook pages and your own blog. And if you want to make money that way, you can also make money with videos on Facebook. I also have a video that shows you how much money I made in a single month by posting videos on Facebook, which I'm going to put below as well for you to check that out. So what I'm saying is there's multiple ways to make money with Facebook. You can explore to see which one fits your niche. So in every single video, guys, I try to bring you my best tips and information from my experience and things that I'm doing. Hopefully you can apply for your own YouTube channel, your own Facebook pages, and hopefully help you make more money. So if you do appreciate that, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. I post videos like this every single week. Appreciate your time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.